Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toys channel. Okay, this time around I want to show you the latest release from Hot Wheels, the Car Culture series FPY86 Wave K. So this is the latest Deutschland design. This is actually the second release. The first release for 2022 is for Car Culture. Okay, it's actually American scene, and then so this is the that was wave J, so this time it's wave K. Now this is the second time they have done a Car Culture series with the chase, with everybody looking forward to the chase. The American scene released in Malaysia, right? Unfortunately, we went through quite a few sealed boxes, but we didn't get any chase cars. So since yesterday, which is 10th of February, we have seen quite a few Malaysian collectors and sellers themselves scoring the chase. So same goes to us. We are lucky enough, we did score a couple of chase. We did a live unboxing earlier today, February 11, over at Facebook. So basically I do a lot of live unboxing whenever there's any new arrivals. Whenever we can, we do live unboxing over at Collectors Cube on Facebook, so do look us up there. Okay, so without further ado, okay, so I want to go straight to look at the cars. Okay, I do have one that is already out in one case, which I've already opened. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. So in the case of chase cases, right there, you see you have one red and one in black. Okay, so do look us up on Facebook. Okay, live today's session, February 11. You'll see the experience. Okay, it was really quite mind-blowing, the number of chase we managed to open today. So you can rewatch that live session. Okay, you can rewatch that live session. Cool. Okay, so here we go. We'll start with number 0. Okay, number 0 is the chase car. This is the one where a lot of people have been talking about. Not just it being the chase, but it being a very nice release as well. The C63 in black. This is very nice. This is very nice. Deutschland design on the top. The very this motion motif, very nice from Hot Wheels as well. At the back we see the set of 5. Okay, so this chase version will be number 0. Okay, so this is the black, and then we go to number 1. Okay, number 1 is the Sprinter. I believe this is the new release as well. This is a first edition. Okay, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Okay, this is number 1 in green, and then we have number 2 is the Audi Quattro S4 Quattro. Okay, again, this is another very nice casting. This is, I believe, is the second casting that we have. The first release, I think it was in Deutschland design as well. I think it is. Hang on, I'll see if I can grab the previous release and show you. Oh, here don't have. Yeah. No, there. Just grab the single card can already. Yeah, the blue color one. Because, yeah, I just realized. I mean, I know that this is a second release, but I just realized it only released through Deutschland design. Interesting. Got one there, right? Okay, we'll check that out shortly. I'm actually still in the office, so we do have a part-timer here who's helping us out. Okay, so this was the first version, the first Deutschland design version. There we go. There was a Quattro S4 Quattro in there as well. I think in this set, the most popular ones was these two, and then the M3. So these two were kind of less popular. Personally, I feel the Porsche was only okay, but I think this is actually very nice. I think it's a little bit understated. Okay, so I am quite happy that they released this again in the premium, because I think Hot Wheels made it very nice. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3 would be the Porsche. This is another hot item from Hot Wheels as well. This one has quite a lot of its own following. Okay, Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Right, Deutschland design. Okay, right? This would be number 3. And then we have number 4, which would be the regular C63. Okay. And then number 5 would be the DTM. Here we go. DTM. I believe this is the new casting as well. I know they did this C class touring, but it's not in this casting. This would be definitely a new casting. But if I recall correctly, they have made the C class touring before, right? Yeah. So our helper here is actually helping me Google as well, as we speak. Okay, so very quickly, shortcut. Okay, during live with all the excitement. No, not this one. The blue card one. Mainline blue card plastic wheels. I remember they made these. I'm not sure if it's touring, but it's blue card, the very old one. Okay, so with the huge excitement just now, right? Rewatch our live. Okay, you can see the craziest excitement of opening cases with with Chase inside. Okay, so we have unboxed them. All right, we have unboxed them with all the excitement of everyone watching. Here we go. There we go. Look at that. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, hope you don't mind. I want to set up a nicer background. I would like to set up a nicer background for this video. This is something that just came in as well. Look at that. There we go. Yeah, I remember they made the C class before. It's just Mercedes C class, so it's not exactly a DTM version. Okay, so yeah, I remember they made that before. So the new one definitely much nicer. Okay, but before we get to that one, we look at the C63, the Chase. So it's in gloss black. Okay, no frills. Basically, it's just a solid glossy black. I think it's really very nice because it's a black series. Anyway, oh, look at that. Look at that ass. Shit. Nice. Look at the headlamps, the front grille, the logo. Okay, all those are printed on, but at Hot Wheels price point, I think this is very satisfying. Okay, we look at the back, the AMG badge over there, the AMG logo, the Mercedes logo as well. The brake lights are printed on, still very satisfying. Nice. Okay, so this is the Chase version. We are not sure how often will this appear. What's the ratio? Okay, we are seriously not sure. Now if you do know what's the ratio, do let us know in the comment section below. Nice. Okay, so this is number 0. That's number 0. Okay, then we go to number 1. Number 1 is a Sprinter. Okay, this is the card. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more. This is the card when it's uncarded. Okay, heavy. This thing is solid. So it's very nice that they add in. It's not just a plain body. They add in all the accessories with the kangaroo bar in front. Okay, so this is I'm making a guess. This is part of the interior. There's a roof rack as well. This is plastic. At the back, there's a spare wheels. It's plastic as well with the leather. Okay, there's the brake lights, printed very sharp, very crisp. The tail lights, the safety lights on the side, that's printed on as well. Very nice. I don't know. These are not new rim designs, but I think on this it works quite well on the Sprinter. Nice. Very nice, very solid. It feels very narrow. It does look like it's very narrow, but I would assume the actual thing it is narrow and high as well. Nice, very nice. So that's a Sprinter number 1, and then we go to number 2. Number 2 would be my personal favorite, the S4 Quattro. Okay, the S4 Quattro in yellow this time. Oh, look at that. Look at this thing. I don't know why people are not really chasing after this. Look at that. So even though they're printed on, right, the grille, the logo, the headlamps are printed on, but I think it's at its price point, at its retail price, I think it's acceptable. I think even it works with in photography as well. I still quite like premium Hot Wheels because it's one of those cars where we can just, you know, put it in our pocket and bring it around with us easily without worrying about any, you know, without worrying about damaging it. It's not something that we can do with all the other premium brands right now because they are so fragile. So even though we bring the whole thing right in its packaging out, there is still a chance where, you know, when you take it out of the base, you will actually eventually damage it. So this is something that I still quite like about Hot Wheels, where we can just put it in our pocket and bring it around with us. Nice. Nice. I like the yellow as well. Nice. Okay, so this would be number 2, and then number 3 would be the 911 GT3 RS. Okay. This one, it is quite popular as well. Before its release, we have been getting quite some questions, you know, inquiry about this particular release, whether, you know, it's going to be sold individually, what's the price and stuff. So I guess there are still quite a lot of GT3 RS Hot Wheels collectors out there. I still kind of prefer, you know, the spoiler being a separate piece, even though it's plastic. I still think that, you know, doing that will make it more realistic, like this. So on the AMG, right, it is not a separate piece, it's a single piece mold together with the die-cast body. Okay, all right. Okay, metal base, metal base. Yeah, so far I think all of them are metal base. So that's one of the thing about Hot Wheels Premium. Most of the time it comes in a metal base. Okay, nice. Look at the Porsche logo underneath. This one comes on a 5-spoke. It looks very, very modern. Okay, at the back, GT3 RS. Okay, nice. So all these are all printed on. So yeah, I mean, being printed, it looks only okay. Of course, it cannot beat those premium brands that make this a separate piece, but I think it's acceptable because this is only a fraction of a price compared to, you know, any of the other premium brands. Okay, retail price, So that's number 3. So if you go to number 4, this is a regular version. This is number 4 in red. Oh, look at that. Oh, I have the tarmac one here somewhere. It's in red as well. Not a fair comparison. Okay, not a fair comparison, but why not, right? Why not? Why not? How much is it? It's almost not double, but almost double the price. So you can see you will probably get your money's worth if you buy the tarmac version. Okay, no number plates here. This number plate is a modified is a modified version. Okay, the plates are a modified version. So this is the tarmac version. I do prefer the tarmac red. Okay, I do prefer the tarmac red. Now you see the spoiler is in plastic. It's a separate piece. Okay, so now you can see the difference, right? When you make the spoiler, even though it's in plastic, but when it's a separate piece, it will definitely look better. That will be an example that I can show you in the next car. Okay, next Hot Wheels. All right, so yeah, size wise, yeah, Hot Wheels is still bigger, wider. Definitely, it's definitely wider, but I think the length is the same. Okay, so still, as far as my own understanding, right, Hot Wheels design need to fit into 3 main criterias, which is it should be able to fit into its blister, it should be able to it's suitable for kids to play, Now this one is, see, 3+. It's suitable and safe for kids to play. That's rule number 2. And number 3, it needs to be able to fit into their tracks. So that's my understanding on Hot Wheels requirement, design requirement. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad at all, not bad at all. But I'm not a fan of that chrome 10 spoke though. I would have preferred maybe it being in grey, or you know, maybe the shade of red should be a little bit more red, like their flame. Anyway, I'm not sure if the Black Series red it is like this. I'm just wondering whether did Hot Wheels use Black Series color code for their red. Okay, so if you do know, just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, cool. So that's number 4. And then number 5, what I was talking about, the most obvious thing here is the spoiler. Okay, so this is a separate piece. It's a separate piece, so even though it's in gray as well, but see, it definitely looks better, because even on the real thing, right, 1:1 scale, the body and the wing, it's a different material anyway. Okay, so this is, oh, I haven't shown you the card, so I've got so excited. So this is the D2 Preva, okay, 1994 AMG-Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car, one of a classic. Now, I do quite like they have done this detail on top here as well. I would assume this is is for tracking. Okay. Look at the front, look at that. Just zoom in and focus. Oh, nice, very nice. Oh, side view, here we go. The printing, I think it's quite okay. They have improved quite a lot compared to the days with the trail climber days with the Audi Quattro. I think they have improved quite a lot. Nice. Okay, then the back view. I like that giant wing at the back. And when I was younger, right, I wasn't a fan of the C-Class because of the huge ass brake lights that go all the way to the top of the back of the car. But you know, anything in white body with a huge ass wing, it's cool. It is cool. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, now if you haven't hit that like button, remember to hit that like button, okay, because that will help me out in the YouTube algorithms. All right, now for those of you guys who are wondering, what is this, what the hell is this at the back here, right? This is actually a collaboration between Hot Wheels, okay, Hot Wheels and Stance. Okay, I'll see if I can get a chance to actually do a separate video of this. Let me sleep on that. Do let me know if you want to see it. Okay, do let me know if you want to see it unboxed. I'll do it in a separate session because I don't want to make this video too long. Cool. All right, so this is a very nice set. I will definitely be collecting them. Let me know if you will. So do look us up on Facebook. Okay, Collectors Cube. That's QUBE. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button as well, and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my diecast videos. So that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.